people. This is what we've been working for so long, to get everybody together. So it's very exciting. I'm very glad you're here. I have some questions for all of you. That's what I do. How many of you have paddled on the Cuyahoga River? Okay, about half. How many of you have learned something new about the Cuyahoga River or the Cuyahoga River Water Trail today? Learned something new. All right. How many of you would like to paddle on the Cuyahoga River now that you've learned something new? Very exciting. And we're working hard at creating more opportunities for you to do exactly that. So what's next? What's downstream? Oh, wait, back up. Always want to get to the good stuff. We are going to continue to expand our partnership efforts. All of these great groups have come together, and one of those that, one of the partnerships that we've made that I'm kind of proud of is the next one. Because I always say that all trails lead to beer. And so we are partnering Hi-Ho Brewing. Where's Jamie? She's back there serving beer. Yes, Hi-Ho provided us with some great beer. We've had a good opportunity to gather breweries within 1 mile of the Cuyahoga River. And they have come together to do a collaboration brew or a beer in a style of IPA, which is also subtitled I Paddle Around, the Cuyahoga River Water Trail. And so they will be rolling this out in June as part of the celebrations, and they will be doing it in support of the Cuyahoga River Water Trail with a certain percentage of the proceeds going back to support the water trail. So we're very excited. I know it's a lot of pressure to get out and do another beer trail, and hopefully you do it after you paddle, but we're excited, so stay tuned for that. And the beer will be rolling out in time for our big celebration of the last burning of the river in the very near future. It's only 77 days away. Wow, we've been planning for it for quite a while. How far the river has come since the burning mess that it was 50 years ago. This is going to be a regional celebration of the Cuyahoga through events like Torch Fest and Cuyahoga 50. Now, we could ask Peter Bodie to get up here and talk about Torch Fest, but we don't have all night. And he has so much going on. I invite you to talk to him. Go to the website for Torch Fest, which is, right there. Yes. There are many things happening with Torch Fest. All